Today I'm going to show you how to assemble a pop-up display. You'll also find a step-by-step guide inside the stand's transit case. Pull out concertina frame, ensuring the coloured nodes are at the top of the frame. Pull up to assemble the stand shell. Make sure the magnetic locking arms click into place to keep the stand secure. Attach the magnetic bars, which will give the frame strength. These need to be added to every quadrant of the frame that requires graphics. Starting from the left of the display, carefully unroll the graphic. Attach the graphic by hooking it over the node. It is then just a matter of repeating this process for each panel, making sure they are all lined up correctly. Finally, attach the stand's transit case cover and tabletop. Then furnish your display with extras such as selfie frames, roller banners and life-size cutouts.